Our lesson today is on proving or justifying why two triangles are congruent. So we're going to start by reviewing what CPCTC means. So if you remember from last week, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if their corresponding angles are the same measure and if their corresponding sides are the same measure. If you have two triangles that are the exact same shape and the exact same size, they're going to be congruent to each other. And so when you have two triangles that are congruent, all six of their parts will map up and also be congruent. So in this triangle statement here, we have triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. So what that means is angle A maps and matches to angle F, and those two angles are congruent. Angle B maps to angle E, and those two angles are congruent. And angle C maps to angle D, and those angles are congruent. But then you also have the corresponding sides. So AB maps to FE, and they're congruent. AC maps to FD, and those two sides are congruent. And BC maps to ED, and those two sides are congruent. So in our lesson, what we're going to learn is being able to justify, being able to say two triangles are congruent based off of certain criteria. So we're actually going to be taking a step back. We're going to be saying, if I know this, this, and this, then I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. So in the next videos, you're going to be learning what certain things you have to know in order to be able to have enough information to state the two triangles are congruent.